You don't know YouTube?
Yo no veo YouTube.
YouTube, yeah. Do you know YouTube?
Sí, lo veo.
See, oh, do you watch YouTube?
Sí.
Poquito. Español. ¿Hablas español?
Sí.
Okay. How about English? Can you speak English too? Poquito.
Sí.
Even you go to school? Okay. Okay. You're so cute. So who is older, your brother or you?
¿Quién es mayor?
Uh-huh.
Yo.
You're 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then how about him? How old is he?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're older. What's your name? Anna? How about him? Carlos? What's your brother's name?
Sebastián.
Sebastian? Oh, okay. See. I'm going to enjoy Miami tonight. Feliz Navidad. What are you going to do tomorrow? Just stay at home? Okay. With your mom and Sebastian? Okay. See. I wish I can speak Spanish. Are you from Venezuela too? Or you were born in here? Sí. Adiós.